What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about SPY and QQQ at the request of Cow. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more content like this. I meant to go over this one a couple days ago, Cow. I'm sorry. Or, yeah, I guess a couple days ago. I just did not, I didn't check the Discord request, man. That was just a genuine flop on my memory there. Some bearish divergence on the weekly, right? Right there. High to high, that bearish divergence has come to full force with this move down. I think you're fine. I think that's about it, and you're probably going to move up. Probably. Maybe. We'll see. Dropped right past your 61869 area. Dropped all the way through it. But have since recovered above the 618, which is a very important thing, I think. Looking at the weekly RSI, you have lower lows while maintaining higher lows in price. That is what they call hidden bullish divergence. Of course, that's irrelevant as long as you keep dropping, but if you can get a green week finally. This week is green, but it is a red week in disguise, right? It's negative 2.02% down right now. So after this week closes, which probably will close red. Maybe it closes green, but probably it closes red. You'd like to see a green week next week, right? And the green week doesn't have to be above this low. It just has to be above wherever. It just has to close above wherever this week closes, right? So, and that would definitely confirm some hidden bullish divergence. That's why you want to see that. Daily RSI at a oversold point and out of it, right? In and out. Nice to see. A lot of volume there on the low. Does this pay? SPY pays dividends? What are the dividends? Not anything crazy. At least not the last time they paid. What about this time? Oh, even less crazy. Even a little bit crazier, but not really crazy at all. Okay. Anyways, I want to look at the RSI now. Let's have a little bit of fun. So looking at this here, from the low point there, kind of at an area that you like to find your lows. Really not that bad in comparison to some other times, right? Just really quick, really sharp decline. I feel like you're at your low, man. If you're not, you're very, very close to it. But, yeah. Yep. I want to look at your monthly. The monthly is not looking as friendly. It's not looking bad. I actually have hidden bullish divergence on there as well. You probably don't close this month this low. I want to look and see. Yeah, it actually looks it looks better on the longer term time frames than it does on the shorter term time frames. As long as you're closing this month, I'd love to see you close this month above 523.80 cents. Close above there, and then you're fine. You know, a lot of month to go. 23 days, 17 hours left. A lot of month to go, but I'd like to see this week close above there too, if I could ask for that. I think that'd be nice as well. And really any week afterwards, but start getting days to close above there. I don't know. I'm somewhat convinced, especially with this dip into the oversold and then out of it. I mean, the last time that you dipped in and dipped out promoted some rather immediate growth, right? It was the beginning of your next trend upwards. So might we have that now? I don't know. Time will tell. A little bit of extra volume on that day as well. A lot more here, that's for sure, but something to think about. I do think it's moving up higher. QQQ. Invesco QQQ Trust Series 1. It looks the exact same, basically, right? A little bit less optimistic, if I might be real. From a low to a high, down around your 886, didn't quite get there. You're not above your relative 618, and that's okay. Maybe we can look at this on a more macro basis and get this high to low here. High to low. The way this looks, I would almost expect a drop to 408 to 387. That would be my expectation. However, I would give it the same ray of hope that SPY has, in that you have higher lows here while maintaining lower lows in your RSI. That is a good look. That's actually not a bad look. So I'm not worried about it in that sense. And I wonder, yeah, you're like right at your 40. So, I mean, bouncing here, which you've done before, by the way, and before back here and around here, right? Closing at this area of price or higher would not be bad for QQQ. I would give it the same kind of idea, right? You want to close above this relative 618 from a low point to a high point here. I would like to see you closing above 445.53. You're at 439.53 right now, so that would be your current goal. But before that even, because that's a little bit further away, before that I would say close this week here or around here, get this lower low in while having a higher low here, right? Or I guess it would be more like this, your higher low. And then next week get a green week, a true green week, not a green week that's a negative week, and confirm that hidden bullish divergence, which would imply that you do see a new high. Time will tell. I'd like to check back in on this, Cow. If you want me to check in on this, request that maybe after this week's over, right? Request that for Sunday's request, and I'd be happy to talk about it then, or sometime next week even, so we have a little bit more of a determined outlook based on this, current mishap with the drop that we've had. So let's just see how it goes. At any rate, having a lot of volume come in like this and moving lower is not really a good thing. But you're recovering a little bit. I'd like to see what next week looks like before I say any more. So anyways, hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more. I hope that both of these will move up throughout the rest of the week. Goals are set in mind for both of them. And then if those are met, we can talk about new all-time highs being right around the corner, really, like at any given month, right? Maybe not this month, but next month, October, certainly could see new all-time highs. Just depends on what we do over the coming weeks, how we recover, what it looks like. Are we going to have a rapid recovery? Is it going to be like this? Is it going to be a little bit, this is still pretty rapid, but a little bit more steady, I don't know, time will tell. Anyways, hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you all for being here. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.